Hey, what's up? Okay, so I tried to make something, and then I got angry because it's bad, and so, like, no. Why won't anyone dance with me? Also, like, this is basically Doki Doki Literature Club in a nutshell. So, yeah. So, you are a boy in the beginning of the game, and then, this is you. Why am I doing this? Okay, and then you. And then there's 4 other girls. One of them is your best friend. Starts out as your best friend because they were your childhood friend. And then, so, that first one I was talking about, yeah, that's Sayori. This is the one with the pink hair that I'm drawing right now. Oh yeah, I'm sorry if this video is, like, timed with, like, the video not timed with the actual, like, audio, so, like, yeah, if anything's confusing, that's why. And then she basically hangs herself. And then, and then you have Monica, who basically wants you to be her girlfriend. And yeah, I'll get into that later. Yeah, it's really spicy, basically. And then she has green eyes. Yeah. And then there's Yuri. Whoop, whoop. Then she likes knives, and then she stabs herself at the end of the game, so I'm just gonna draw a knife by her. And then you have Natsuki. Boop, doop. Don't call her cute, or else she gets angry. And then, like, basically Monica makes her bug out. Then she snaps her neck. Let's just say she snapped her neck. Yeah, and then basically you're sad that all of them died except for Monica, and then you're stuck with Monica at the end. So, yeah. Let's just draw this murder scene. Wait, no. Shoot. Whoa. Blood. 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 So, yeah. So basically Monica is deleting all the character files, and so, yeah. But I think that Yuri is best girl because she has a knife collection, and that's cool. Okay, that's cool. I swear, it is. So, okay, now let's go watch some more stuff on YouTube. And basically see what happens. Okay. Mia the marshmallow. Okay. She likes books. Oh, yeah. So, you're in a literature club, basically. That's what the point of the game is supposed to be. But then Monica is self-aware, so yeah. That's a better look at what they look like. Yeah, Sayori and Natsuki both have, pink hairs, not to get confusing. So yeah, that's cute though. I like it. I do love you. Darn it. What? And then she got a gnarly knife collection, so like it's just cool. That's Monica. That's Yuri. Oh god, yeah, pretty much. That's also Yuri. Is this Yuri? Yeah, that is Yuri. God, they're gonna be freaking made lewd out of it. Sayori's the cutest one though. It's like, Give me that smile. Okay, so, yeah. I mean, there isn't really anything else that I should do, so. Yeah, okay. Subscribe if you want, like if you want, comment if you want. I don't really care. I just do this because I want to, okay? Yeah, I don't know why I haven't been, like, I haven't been making videos because, like, I really don't want to. And I haven't been, like, up to it. So, yeah.